Morning students. This is your 4th standard English term 2 lesson 1 affection. Revision video. This is your revision video for your MCQ test. The topics we are going to revise today is prose, appa, poem, the real wealth, supplementary, a true friend, and grammar, punctuations and prepositions. Students, shall we start our revision video? Prose, appa. Students, do you remember the story about Meena who is studying in 12th standard? Yes, let's do revision about this lesson. Meanings. Write the meanings for the following. Listen carefully students. This revision video is very useful for you to answer the MCQ test which is going to be held today evening. Listen carefully. Recited. Go or move back. Receded. Go or move back. Massive. Large or heavy. Large or heavy. Vrilled, to spin. Vrilled, to spin. Banged, to strike. To strike. Fainted, to lose consciousness. Fainted, to lose consciousness. Rehabilitation, the action to restore someone after the damage. The action to restore someone after the damage. Blankly, without expression. Without expression. Are you clear students? Yes. Next, wipe. To clean. Wipe. To clean. Tumbled, to fall. Tumbled, to fall. Grab, to hold. Grab, to hold. Scream, to speak loudly. To speak loudly. Are you clear students with the meanings? Very good. Next, let's read the fill in the blanks regarding the story Appa. Meena's village was hit by waves on Sunday. Meena's village was hit by waves on Sunday. Meena was transferred to a dash rehabilitation center. Meena was transferred to a rehabilitation center. The official's family visited the rehabilitation center for dash years. 5 years. The official's family visited the rehabilitation center for 5 years. The official and his wife liked Meena. The official and his wife liked Meena. Meena studies in dash standard. Meena studies in 12th standard. Meena studies in 12th standard. Dash waves hit the village. 3 waves hit the village. 3 waves hit the village. The official was transferred to another dash. The official was transferred to another district. The official was transferred to another district. Are you clear students? Yes. Meena's father was a dash man. Meena's father was a fisherman. Kirai Kupam is located in dash. Kirai Kupam is located in Nagapattinam. Dash disaster had hit the village. Dash disaster had hit the village. Tsunami. Meena went to dash with her father. Meena went to seashore with her father. Meena went to seashore with her father. Students, are you clear with this fill in the blanks regarding the lesson Appa? Yes. Next is punctuation. Grammar, punctuation. These are the punctuation marks we have studied. Let's revise once again. C. C for capital letter. I am the capital letter. Where do you use capital letter? We will be using in the beginning of a sentence. For each beginning of a sentence, we have to start with a capital letter. Are you clear, students? I am a full stop. I look like a dot. Where do you use this full stop? We use this full stop at the end of a sentence. For each sentence, you will use full stop to end the sentence. I am a comma. I look like a dot with tail. Where do you use this? We use comma to separate words in a list of 3 or more things. We used to separate 2 or more things with the help of comma. I am a question mark. Where do you use this question mark? You use when you are asking questions to someone. When you are asking questions, you use question mark in the writing form. So students, I hope you all are clear with the punctuation marks we have studied. Let's do an exercise. Rewrite the sentence with punctuation marks. You have to add or give punctuation marks to the sentences given below. Let's do one by one. Where is my cat? Where do you use the punctuation? Here W should be in a capital letter. Where is my cat? Question mark. Jane ate an apple. Always the starting sentence should be with a capital letter. Jane ate an apple, full stop. The book is on the table. The capital T, book is on the table, full stop. Ravi wants book, pen and pencil. Ravi, the starting letter should be capital, wants book, comma, pen and pencil. Book, comma, pen and pencil, full stop. Do you play football? Here do should be, the D should be in a capital letter and it is a question mark. Do you play football? Next, my favorite color is blue. The starting sentence should be capital and my favorite color is blue, full stop. Lima is a good singer. Lima, capital L, is a good singer, full stop. Do you like pet animals? D should be capital. Do you like pet animals? It is a question. So, question mark. He likes shirt, pants and shorts. He likes capital H. He likes shirt, comma, pants and shorts, full stop. How are you? This is a question. In the written form, you have to write capital H, how are you? Question mark. Are you clear, students? This is the sentence with punctuation marks. Next is poem The Real Wealth. Students, I hope you remember this poem The Real Wealth about parents, brothers, sisters, friends. Yes, let's do its revision. Write the meanings for the following. You have to write the meanings for the following. Spoilt, destroy or quality of, bear, to withstand, deeds, an action performed, zest, happiness or energy, nurture, care for and protect. Repeat again, students. spoilt, destroy or quality of, bear, to withstand, deeds, an action performed, zest, happiness or energy, nurture, care for and protect. Are you clear, students? Yes. Let's do fill in the blanks regarding poem. Parents never let us get dash. Parents never let us get spoilt. Parents help us to overcome our dash. Parents help us to overcome our problems. Dash is next to parents in care. Dash is next to parents in care. Sisters. Dash are the real wealth. Dash are the real wealth. Relationship. Dash always stays to the last in our needs. Dash always stays to the last in our needs. A good friend. Parents bring us to this soil. Parents bring us to this soil. Dash always fights for his share. Dash always fights for his share. Brother, dash them like your health. Dash them like your health. Nurture, nurture them like your health. Are you clear, students? Yes. Now match the rhyming words. Let's match the rhyming words. Share. Share can be matched to bear. Bread can be matched to a head. Care. Dare. Deeds. Needs. Zest. Rest. Are you clear, students? Share, bear. Share will be matching to bear. Bread, a head. Care, dare. Deeds, needs. Zest, rest. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next is prepositions. I hope you remember this. Prepositions. The word in front of, behind and between tell us where the dog is. Such words are called prepositions of place. We have to find out where is the object, what is the actual place. To indicate the place, this is said to be prepositions of place. Let's do an exercise. Tick the correct place of the apple. Tick the correct place of the apple. What it is telling? The prepositions of place means in front of, behind and between. What are they? In front of, behind and between. Basing these three, you have to find out where is the apple placed. You have to find out the preposition of the place of the apple. Let's do. Tick the correct place of the apple. See the first picture. Where is the apple? Is it behind or between? Where it is? It is behind the box. In the second picture, where is the apple? The apple is in front of the box. In the third picture, where is the apple? The apple is between the boxes. Between the boxes. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next one, you have to see the picture and mention the correct prepositions for each picture. Let's see the first one. The doll is dash the box. Where is the doll? The doll is in front of the box. Second one, the doll is dash the boxes. See the picture. The doll is between the boxes. The doll is dash the box. The doll is behind the box. Are you clear, students? Yes. See the deer and the rabbit. Imagine your prepositions where it should be correctly placed. I am dash the rock. I am dash the rock. I am in front of the rock. In front of. In front of the rock. Second one. I am dash the tree. I am behind the tree. Next picture. I am dash the bushes. I am between. I am between the bushes. Are you clear, students? These are the prepositions of place. Next is supplementary, a true friend. In this story, we have studied the friendship of Nandini and Pandi, and the story is revolving around Nandini, who is very upset because her front two teeth are being gone. That is why she was so upset to open her mouth in front of her friends. Let's do the revision. Fill in the blanks. Dash were good friends from childhood. Dash were good friends from childhood. Nandini and Pandi. The teacher was dash. The teacher was annoyed. It was a dash frog. It was a rubber frog. Are you clear, students? Yes. Name the character or speaker in the given lines. There are few sentences given here. Just write the character and the speaker who has told this in the story. Do you have a fever? Who told this in the story? Teacher. Did someone scold you? Who told this in the story? One of her friend. Why does Nandini look so sad? Who told this? Nandini's friend. Are you all right? Who said this in the story? Teacher. Are you clear, students? Yes. Next is write a narrative paragraph on Kamarajar using the given information and add more information on your own. Please read these sentences and the paragraphs carefully. Kamarajan's birth date is 15th July 1903. The place where he born is Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. He is known as the Kingmaker or Karma Veerar. His achievements in his lifetime were midday meal scheme reforms in education. He was honored Bharat Ratna in 1976. His positions held was Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, and he died on 2nd October 1975. Are you clear, students? Yes. Students, all the best for your MCQ test. Do well.